What up, family? Chris here. And in this video, I want to explain to you guys the importance of Google My Business for your business. That rolled off nice. So let's dive in. So if you don't know, Google My Business is what you use every time you go into your phone. You're looking for a restaurant, you're looking for a shoe store, you're looking for a place to find a plumber. 9 times out of 10, you're going to be using Google My Business. So now, the most important thing when it comes to Google My Business are these 4 things you want to keep in mind is that 1, Google My Business is free. Like free, gratuit, gratis. You're paying zip, zero, zilch. There's no money to pay for. Now, for those of you that were around in the 80s and 90s, I'm sure you remember Yellow Pages. This is Google's version of Yellow Pages for free. So this is a service that Google is giving local businesses to acquire leads, to build authority, and to also show that people are actually enjoying this business, are actually enjoying your services, and also improves validity. It validates the fact you're a real business as well. So if you didn't know about that, sign up for your create a Google My Business listing ASAP. And if you already have one, let's start paying some love and giving some attention to GMB. GMB is short for Google My Business. And honestly, it's the best way to manage your online presence. Number 2, it's the first place people are going to go when they look for your business. Most people are going to find your business by using their phone. If you're a restaurant, they want to find a restaurant that makes chow mein, they're going to search chow mein, insert name of city. We want to make sure that you come up to the top. If they're looking for a plumber, if they're looking for an architect, people are going to search in their phone, and Maps is most often than not is what's going to pop up at the top of the search results. We want to make sure that your business is there at the top of those search results. Boom. Point number 3. You can set up and claim your listings. You can post photos, post videos, show updates, show news about the business. With COVID around, they even added a section to show what you're doing for COVID. Are your people wearing masks? Are you doing temperature checks? So on and so forth. So there's all these added features and attributes that you could maximize to fill up and beef up your profile that most people and most businesses really neglect. Like there's times I look into Google My Business accounts for businesses. That was a tough sentence to say. There's times when I look into Google My Business accounts and I'm noticing a lot of them are not optimized. They put in a half-assed description. They're not really posting any photos. So if you look at your competitors and you notice that on Google My Business, they're not taking advantage of that, it's time for you to take the flag and run with it. And point number 4, with over 3 million searches on Google, we want to make sure that your business pops up to the people in the surrounding area. So again, it's your opportunity to take advantage of a free service Google has put for you to manage your business. 2, it's the first place your customers are going to find out about you, if it's not from word of mouth. 3, you can set up listings, you could put your photos up, you could put videos up, share news about your business, you can even share products and services. So it's an easy way to put a little sales page that can link straight to your website for products if you're selling stuff online. And 4, there's over 3 million searches a day being made. Take advantage of that. Let's make sure that you show up in those listings and optimize that. In the meantime, you have an awesome rest of the day. If it's daytime, soak up some sunshine. If it's nighttime, sleep like a champ. Take care. Bye.